What's up guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys see that I posted yesterday that I did the COVID vaccine. So today I come to give you guys an update on the vaccine. You understand? Because somebody posted a comment, I think it's like 2 or 3%. Wow, my face so cool and nice, my look bad. Anyway guys, before you guys go down into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend about life with Corgodas. So yes guys, I'm not telling anyone that they should take it or whatever, because I don't know what's gonna go after this. I'm just giving you guys a public announcement. I'm just giving you guys on my updates on me taking the COVID vaccine. So yes guys, so my update is my hand is numb. Like what I'm saying, it is numb. It is good, but it's numb. You know, like when you do you have to pull your teeth and them inject you and it have the numb feeling. That's the feeling. I'm not getting no pain, it's just a numb feeling, and then right here, so which part them stick it, you know, it kind of have a little tenderness. But apart from that, I am good. I'm just it made me sleepy, and it made me very sleepy and tired, you know, which they had told me before I got it. The guy explained everything to me before I took it. You understand? The doctor explained everything to me. Guys, when I push my hand back, so it's pain. I just realized that. Yeah, so, and it was a bit difficult for me to put on my clothes because when I numb and then I feel a little pain right there, so then I had to lift up. But they had told me before I took it that I might get sick for a day or two. You understand? Thank be to God, I prayed. You understand? Because I really don't want to get ill, and I normally get ill either way when I take a vaccine. So even if I take a vaccine, I'm not going to blame this vaccine and say it's because of this vaccine why I got sick, because I'm a person, whenever I take vaccine I normally get sick. You understand? But I took my Tylenol. As I reach home, I cook and I took my Tylenol. I made my grandmother take her Tylenol also, you know. And the only thing we are feeling, we are getting the same reaction at this moment, just a little stiffness, you know. And my dad did this same one, so I do the same one, and I realized nothing wrong with him. I still have a next dose to take, guys. I haven't taken the second dose. I don't know what's the reaction going to be, but as you guys said, to keep you guys updated on what's going on, because I know a lot of people is afraid to take it, and I said I'm not telling anyone to take it. You know, I just take it because I'm a person. I like to be all over the place. I like to take vacation and all that. So I am taking it because of my own purpose. I don't want nothing where it hinder me from do what I want to do. You understand? Yes, so that's the reason why I take it. You understand? I didn't even leave my house with the intention of doing it, you know, out there. And my grandma was gonna do it. She was a bit scared because she wanna go to Jamaica, you know. And I said, you know what, me like travel to one thing, and just to make you feel good, me take it, you know. Me take it. You see me? And all of my friends took it. All of my friends take the vaccine, but the whole thing is them take different kind. They take different vaccine from what I take. You know, all of them take different kind. You see me? Some of them just get hand pain. Some of them sick, them get flu. You know, I have a friend at Mashar down wicked. You understand? As you can see, I'm well rested, guys. Like, even though I go live yesterday, like, I sleep. Normally, I come off a live, no matter how much I sleep. Big up for the 7 o'clock, I just asleep on the last night. Whatever I was there, I was snoring. Thanks to Cuban, who called me before that said, Corey, any live? Like, guys, the medication have me so sleepy. That's the whole thing. I could not control my sleep. It's like, I was just out, people. But yes, that's just my update, you know. And hope all I know do good, is me. And as I make it clear, I am not telling no one to take it. But the people come and say, me nah take it, Tixie. Tixie say, me nah take that. You understand? But right now, to all them I do it, like if you do certain things, you have to take it. And if you not take it, it's like them I try blight you from doing certain stuff. If you not take it, I don't know me keep party and all of them stuff there. I don't want no event place so them not take me because I not have vaccine. You understand? And I give you an actual card. I get a card. Like a little immunization card. You know, that's to like show, okay, yes, I take it. And it have to match your ID. And it's so happened that yesterday when I took it, you know guys, it's a good thing. I read back the thing, they actually spell my name wrong. They spell my name with 2 L. You know, I have to say, this is not my name. You gotta correct this. You know, I have to take it back because you know me couldn't show nobody that with wrong spelling a name. You understand? Because it doesn't matter if it's one letter. You can't show nobody that and say you, because once the letter, if them other letter are extra letter in it, it is not you. You could have bald blood. It's not you. Because you might have somebody out there with the same exact name, the same exact birthday, and thing. Along enough time me go up on the internet or Facebook and me type in my full name, and the amount of people I see with the same name, like same spelling, same everything. So yes guys, I hope you guys get something from this little clip. As me telling you, I am not telling anyone to go and take it. It's up to anyone who want to take it. I'm not giving no advice on it. I just going to update. My hand, it numb. Yes, it is numb, and they have told me, you see everything where they at me right now, them tell me before I take it. That was one of the things when I was taking it. Even though I'm scared of needle, I am very scared of needle. If you watch the previous video, I have to put on my phone, so I do a video do it. I asked the guy if I can video it, him say yeah. But actually, I have to have my phone down like this because I have a phobia when I see needle. You know, and it's not like nothing what happen now, would never tell me say it's like happen, tell me everything. You see me? So yeah. So that's my updates, guys. If you reach this far in this video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You need to subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with crocodiles. So yes guys, I'm not gonna edit this video, but I'm gonna give some people some shout out. I'm gonna give some people some shout outs. You know, more big up one to the brain, big up yourself. You know, more big up Cubans, big up yourself. And these are non-YouTubers that I'm bigging up. More big up Western, big up yourself Western. And also a big up Keisha Cole, big up yourself. May I big up London boy, big up yourself. Foreign TT, big up yourself too. You see me? So this is a shout out for people who know support my channel, but they are not YouTubers. You see me? As I say, Western, big up yourself. Foreign TT, one to the brain. Cubans, all of people Southside Elite, big up yourself, you know. Chappy one done, big up yourself. You see it? As we go, remember, you know, Southside, big up yourself. So yeah, we can't only big up the YouTubers them and leave out the actual supporters them who is not YouTubers. You see me? So yeah. So bye people. My God. So long, farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now until we meet again. I said. So guys, I was watching some King Shay video. I've been needing to do a little thing on it. I'm not gonna stay long with this topic because really my video is all about the vaccination that I took. But guys, I've been watching King Shay for so long, and I don't know if they're pranking us. I don't have nothing bad to say, but if he do anything wrong, you need to apologize to her. If she do anything wrong, if King do anything wrong, you apologize to her. If Shay do anything wrong, you apologize to him. Guys, me I watch them for so long, and trust me, that couple, they've been through so much. So it would have really look away for them reach so far and drop the baton. You understand? So what I want to say, let's not tear them down. Let's motivate them, push them to do better if you try to get them relationship back together, because a lot of things can be men, you know. A lot of things can be men, and me love them together, like really and truly me love them together, because honestly, you see where them come from, people. Right now, if Kim find a woman, the woman maybe I gotta just love him because him is King from King and Shay. And right now, if Shay find a man, I'm not saying they're not gonna genuinely love them. I can't find somebody who genuinely love you, you know. But is it that you're gonna find someone who's gonna love you if you was in that situation that you was in previously when you live up at the house there, so where she bust the cribs and you want to climb over the boarding up thing? So people, I want to pray for them relationship, because me hope I prank them, I prank with. You understand? Because she look, when I watch Shay Empire, she look very sad, you know, but you know some people can act real good with them make tears run out of my eye. You understand? Because me can do that. Me can make tears run out of my eye. I'll have to rub my eye and so before me start a video and start cry. You understand? So me just hope it's not real. I am open, it's not real, and you know everybody go through things in a relationship. Let me tell you this, people. It doesn't matter how perfect you see a relationship be. Everybody going to shit in a relationship. I'm gonna want someone who cyber bully, go bully the people them, and cuss the man and say the man this and the man that, or cuss she and say she this and she that, or she whatever, she whatever. You understand? You see on a cyber bully and on just tear down people. Like example, I am watching Trish and Rolly. So may I watch a video where she posted yesterday, and Trish said she said people keep bullying her and texting her in her phone. For Rolly video, Rolly so easy video, say them see her slippers in the room where Rolly has stay, but she see her slippers in the room where Rolly has stay, and when she texts Rolly has say yeah, it's a woman's slippers. You understand? And she said she obviously know that, but she didn't want him explain to him why the slippers is there in the room. And she said the reason why she doing it is because because people keep pressuring her, say she's not gonna say nothing about it. And at the end of the day, guys, when you are a public figure, people gonna want to hear things from you out in there. You understand? People gonna want to see things, and people gonna pick everything. You see, right now, nobody not have no problem with my background. But you see, if me get big like them now, people go have problem with my background who never used to have problem with my background. You understand? And she said because people, the pressure are to say something to Rolly, address it, the slippers. When she has to stay at Trabas place, when he must stay at Trabas place, right? Remember Trabas have a lot of female friends. Me they follow Trabas long time, long time. Years from I live at Trinidad. Years when him link and the whole of them so they round they together. When them just to come up, me I follow him. Me tell you from about 2011, them time they me I follow Chabas a long time. And him always have a lot of female friends around him. So it can be like some people in America, they are cool. They have female friends who they are just friends with, and they're not having no sexual intercourse. They are just friends, guys. Cause me have male friend. When me and them sit down on the phone and chat and we laugh and we chat and we laugh. Nothing sexual no come up in there and nothing. But it's just friends. When me can't call not much a night, them can call me and we chat and we laugh. It are people who have we as female need to understand and male need to understand. Females are going to have a male friend, and male is going to have female friend. At them to know themselves, and when them say a friend, it is friend. So anyway, guys, we're not gonna further with this video. Bless upon yourself, my God.